So my name is Vikas Ahluwalia. I'm head the Zone by the Park Hotels. So today we've announced a partnership with Lakshmi Niwas Developers to develop a 400-room hotel in Yadgiri Gutta. So wherein this hotel will be operated under a brand Zone Connect, and the hotel will open in 2 phases. We're looking at the first phase getting about 140 rooms in the first phase, followed by the second phase which will be fully operational by 2023, which will take our inventory to about 400 rooms. So as a company, we are growing. We are looking at different destinations where we would want to look at it. Like I had mentioned, Indians are very spiritual in nature. So we as a company also would like to be going into those destinations. There is a lot of focus from even our Prime Minister talking about spiritual tourism. There are state focuses happening wherein there are infrastructure being created for pilgrim. So and there are people investing money. So when normally you go to a religious destination or a spiritual destination, there is a lack of infrastructure. You may not get good rooms. You may not get quality accommodation. You may not get things which your comforts you are doing. So we as a company would want to deliver that. That is where a brand comes into the picture. And there are a lot of independent hotel owners or investors who've got the money, but they don't have the technical know-how to run and operate the hotel. That is where we come into the picture. So Zone Connect is a brand which we launched last year, which is equivalent to a minimum standard of a 4-star hotel. But how do we distinguish our hotels brands? We have Zone by the Park, which has a design philosophy. So if you want to build a hotel under a Zone by the Park branding, it has to be designed and built as per a particular design template. We had Landor, which is supposed to be one of the best consulting firms in the world. They helped us design the hotel product. We had a UK-based company called Project Orange, which put the look and feel of hotels together. So we realized when we used to go to a lot of developers, or there were owners who had already built a structure and they were stuck. They didn't know how to operate it. So and if I was to go and tell them for making a Zone by the Park, you break this, you change this, that was not practical. So that's how we thought, let's look at a separate brand, wherein if someone has built a hotel which meets a bare minimum 4-star standard, we will be happy to be associated with that. We will bring in the design ethos, the service standards, and the other support which you need to run the hotel, and then take it further. See, currently we are operating 2 hotels. Both the hotels are in Goa. We are soft opening a hotel on the 15th of November in Coimbatore, which will be our 3rd operating Zone Connect, which will be followed by a hotel coming up in Darjeeling, Port Blair, Tirupati, Yadgiri Gutta. So we are hoping that by the end of this financial year, a minimum of 2 more hotels is what will open, and the other hotel should come up by Q1 next financial year. And that number is growing for us. Thank you.